Here we are just asked to solve an equation, so I notice there are parentheses, so right away I'm going to just multiply. This is just 4 times 3x, right? There's nothing to distribute, I'm just multiplying. Then this is 2 times 5x, 2 times 6. Okay, I'm combining my like terms. And now I'm just looking to get x by itself. I'm going to be using inverse operations, so I'm going to get rid of addition and subtraction first, followed by multiplication and division next, right? And I'm just doing the opposite of what's being done to x. Okay, there it is. Write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Right away when I see this slope-intercept form, I know what I'm talking about. It's y equals mx plus b. I'm told it has a slope of -5, so already I know that my m is -5, right? M represents slope always. And I have an x and a y. If I need an equation in y equals mx plus b form, I need an m and a b. So I have an m. And I don't have a b, but what I'm going to do is plug in the x and y I have in order to find the b. So my y value is 7 equals m times x plus b. So now I'm just going to solve for b. I want to know what b is. I'm doing this multiplication. In order to get b by itself, right now 15 is being added. So I get that b is -8. I already had my m is -5. Now I know also that my b is -8. So my equation is y equals mx plus b. And there it is. This is what I would type. Okay. Once again, I'm asked for a line in slope-intercept form. Once again, there's only 2 things I need. I need the b. That's the starting point. And I need the m, the change. Okay, so in this case, when I'm looking for the b, remember I'm always looking for a number where x is 0, right? Always, always, because the y-intercept always has an x value of 0, so that's right here. And so the b is -1. I can just pull that right off the table. Okay, and the m is the change. What's happening from line to line here? And what I'm going to do is just focus on the positive numbers, and I see, oh, these are getting bigger. Something is being added. What's being added? Well, I can just use my fingers, so 4, and then I'm just like literally using my fingers, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that's 5. This was plus 5. Is 9 plus 5 14? Yeah. Oh, look, if I were to even use your calculator here, -1 plus 5 is 4. -6 plus 5 is -1. So the change that's happening is I'm adding 5. So my slope is +5. And here is my equation. Again, whenever I'm asked for slope-intercept form, I just need 2 things, the m and the b, the change or the slope and the y-intercept. Okay. Same exact thing here. I am writing a line in slope-intercept form. So I need the m and the b. Okay. The b is the y-intercept. It's right here. In this case, it's +1. And the m is my rise over run. Okay, so we need 2 points to be able to count. So I have this point, and then I'll use this point right here. What I'm looking for is a point that hits the grid. It's called a lattice point. And I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my rise over run is 3 over 4. Okay, bring down the x. And then I have to always remember to ask myself, is this slope positive or negative? In this case, it is negative, right? It's going down from left to right. So this equation is y equals -3/4 x. Right, make sure I can see that negative, +1. Okay, here I'm just asked to solve. I notice right away that I have x's on both sides. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the x's all to one side. You could subtract 8x from both sides. For me, I like to just subtract the smaller number. Okay, and now I'm looking to get x by itself. I'm going to start by subtracting 1. Right, the x is over here, so I got rid of the addition and subtraction first. And now I'm going to divide to get x by itself. Let's read this one. It says, 2 plants are planted and their height is represented algebraically and graphically. So I have these lines, it's these 2 lines graphed. You could take all the time in the world to say, oh yes, okay, I start at 3 and I have a slope of 1, blah, blah. It already told you, here are the equations and here's the graph. It's saying, what's the solution? Please don't solve this. Look, there it is. It's right there. And remember, we always give the x value first, followed by the y value. Done. You are just reading the solution off the graph. Don't overthink this question.